Okay, so this is my EDC. This is a response video for USNER dock. I just got home from work, so this is me taking everything out. First, I have a Leatherman Juice S2. I have my work ID. It's a small memory drive. Have my survival bracelet, which I made. This is a single piece of 20-foot paracord. Have my Chase-Durer Special Forces watch. My main blade, SOG Trident. My utility blade, Benchmade Griptilian. My keychain for I have a small Leatherman Micra, little odds and ends stuff I use at work, lighter, pen, all on an S-spinner. My keys with a Swiss Army knife hiker. My phone, Verizon Blackberry Bold. Then I have this Max Position single mag pouch. Attached to it is a Fenix L1D. And inside is a SOG EOD Assist 2, or I'm sorry, Powerlock 2. And finally, my car keys with a Spear Point Kubuton, Gerber Artifact, a monkey fist with the key to my toolbox, and the key to my TJ. Okay? That's it.